StarTalk 2021 at UCF is coming to an end. Our participants had a week packed full of events and activities. They created their language portfolios as a final project, practiced their language skills with native speakers at the Russian American Community Center, and celebrated an important Islamic holiday called Eid al-Adha. The Arabic class enjoyed a potluck where they tried Palestinian falafel, Lebanese tabbouleh, and Saudi sleek, along with other delicious foods. They also created beautiful henna designs on their hands. Instructor Aman prepared sweet gifts for her students, and the students had a wonderful time chatting and enjoying the traditional food while listening to Eid music and songs. They also learned more about another Arabic country, Egypt, and tried some famous traditional Egyptian food. In addition, students explored Arabian literature and listened to an ancient romantic poem, and the students' calligraphy is impressively improving. Our Russian group was busy learning as well. From honing their travel vocabulary to chatting with students in Russia, our students moved even closer to becoming proficient Russian speakers. Their cultural knowledge has been expanded too. They learned about famous Russian poets, writers, artists, and sportsmen, as well as explored research-backed cultural differences between the United States and Russia. All of the StarTalk students were introduced to amazing opportunities to utilize their language skills in the target language-speaking countries through the scholarship called Fulbright. Such a busy schedule would not be possible without the effort of our team of instructors and teaching assistants. Let's hear from our team of teaching assistants about their experiences supporting students on their language journeys. It's really rewarding because so far with my job, my favorite part is just seeing a student who has been struggling finally have something click in their head and they figure something out. And that feeling really just pushes me to keep going as being a teaching assistant because I just really love that feeling, seeing students succeed. And I just want to continue to help facilitate that kind of success.
I'm not only a TA, but I'm also a student, so not only am I teaching the students, but I'm also learning Russian as I'm teaching. So teaching the students allows me to better improve my Russian. Additionally, students might have questions that I also might have, or they may make important points that I might not know how to explain them. This then forces me to study or learn whatever it is that point might have been, which also allows me to understand the language better.
I provided some Russian costumes and various cultural aspects, introduced the students to various cultural aspects, and also found a guest lecturer.
Each participant has now thoroughly enhanced their knowledge of Russian and Arabic language and culture, thanks to the hard work of our instructors, teaching assistants, and the students themselves. Clearly, StarTalk has had a positive impact on the life journeys of our students, and the instructors couldn't be more excited and proud of their progress. Let's hear from our team of instructors about the ways they ensure students' success in their classrooms.
So the StarTalk instruction philosophy has really helped me make all of my classes, whether it's in StarTalk or teaching university classes or teaching young children, more interactive and more student-centered. So instead of focusing on grammar or the form, we focus on the can-do statements. So what is the student able to do and leave the program with? So instead of saying, oh, I know all of the cases or I know how to conjugate verbs, it's I can communicate with someone and ask about their name and their information, or I can navigate transportation in Russia if they are able to one day go visit or have already visited, or even just simple everyday tasks that require language.
But the government in the US is offering scholarship and programs such as StarTalk to encourage people to learn Arabic because it is considered a critical language. So some people or students or learners might think that learning Arabic is hard or tough, so they go and learn Spanish or French. Yes, they will find jobs, they will travel all around the world, but they have to keep in mind that those languages have many speakers, have many people who learn them, so the competition will be like they will have to compete with other learners. However, when you're learning Arabic, you are in good command when it comes to your language skills, so you will have more like this, because the supply is scarce, you will have more opportunities than other learners and speakers of other languages. So Arabic will open many doors to its learners.
I try to connect what the language topics we cover with the Russian culture. For example, last week we talked about passports, so I explained to them how Russians have 2 passports and that it is the main form of ID that you always carry on yourself in case you need it. So I really think that having the 5 C's of the StarTalk philosophy helps me delimit the topics and the way I deliver the curriculum in my classroom, which ensures a very targeted, focused, and specific instruction that benefits my students.
StarTalk is the program that encourages students to learn critical languages like Russian, Arabic, Chinese, and other languages. So I'm an instructor of Russian language and I teach high schoolers this year. And what I really like about this program is that we do not really focus on grammar that much or boring stuff. We're really trying to encourage students to communicate or start talking. So from the first day, our students learn how to introduce themselves, how to talk about their friends. They also learn about Russian food and Russian culture, which is such an important part of learning language.
Students are graduating the program with knowledge that will be applicable in many areas outside of the program, like visiting a critical language country, securing important international jobs, or general cross-cultural competence. Let's hear the final farewell from Program Director Dr. Alla Korova.
This is the 6th year of the program, and every year we have more and more ideas to include. Like this year we have a brilliant idea to include everyday news for StarTalk. And every day students learn the new Russian proverb. So we hope in the 10th year of the program we will achieve mastery. We are the only StarTalk program in the state of Florida, period. The StarTalk team over the years has worked hard, become more collaborative and integrated, not only between the instructors and TAs, but also across the university department and the Orlando community. Being a principal investigator of the Fulbright Hays Group Project Abroad grant, I integrated in our curriculum activities with knowledge and presentation from guest speakers, such as Dr. Morris, who is the board NAFSA member, and Miss Erin Foley, a high school history teacher in Oviedo. They were both in the Fulbright Hays Group Project Abroad in Russia with me. Also, our lead instructor, Irina Petberezhna, also a participant of the Fulbright Hays Group Project Abroad, and also Fulbright English teaching assistant in Russia. She helps to connect all program components on a local, regional, and international level. This is also the first year we have included international project connecting classroom into the StarTalk, which has been a part of the Russian language program for 10 years. We have had weekly Zoom meetings throughout the program, and the StarTalk participants are extremely enthusiastic about corresponding with the pen pal throughout the emails, Zoom, and social media during the academic year as one of the post-program activities. Special thanks to the UCF Global team for helping us every day of the program. Thank you guys, thank you Natalie Shandia for giving us this opportunity to have program in such a beautiful environment as UCF Global. Thank you very much everyone, and I hope we will continue our program in the future.
Thank you and congratulations, StarTalk students.